Hello, everybody. Everybody, happy new year. So today is the first stream of this year. So guys, tell me, how was the new year's? How's your mood? How are you doing? How is trading going on in this new 2025 year? So if you're watching the recording, hello to you too. And I see that a lot of people actually watching the streams and recording. So leave a comment, not in the chat, but in the comment section down below. How was the New Year celebration and how is your mood with this year starting? So we are going to start, and I'll remind you how we need to start. So we need to use $50 from our account and start trying to find the entry point. See, that's a demand level and we could have entered into a deal there, but that train has left already. Let me look in the commentary, and I want to remind you that when I look at commentaries, you do not see any changes on the screen because I open another tab. Okay, so hello to everybody. Hello guys, hello Maverick, hello Charles. Nice to see you this year being present here. So let's start our session for today. So with the currency pairs, we have at least like 80% payout and higher than that. That's good because today we're starting a bit late, so it's not going to be too much. And for now, I'm going to try to find an entry point. So right here, let me look at the 5-minute time frame. So while I'm doing that, I'm waiting for you to leave comments in the chat. How was the holidays? So that was interesting point right here. We have like a little level right here. Let me give you the visual of that as usual. And think about, should we work with that or not? So somewhere around those shadows, that shadow, and somewhere here, even lower. Yeah, something like that. And back to 1-minute time frame. How does it look? And it looks weird. Now it looks good. I don't know. The price kind of moved up, then dropped again. So for me, I think it's too risky. For the first deal of the year, I think it is too risky. Let's try to find something else. 93% payout. We have a global downtrend right now. The price is dropping, and right here it found some sort of resistance level. So most probably there's going to be a point for the trend line to drop. We see that globally it's a downtrend, and also we have this sort of a resistance level. The visual for you as always, something like that. So basically that means that if the price is going to react and go down, the most probably we will enter into a deal for a downward trend. But here really closely we have a support level somewhere here, so it's not the best situation, but it's a good enough corridor for us to jump into the first deal of the year. But for now, I'm gonna go back to the chat. And hello again, everyone. Ashley, good to see you too. Happy to see you too. We have 25 people here already, and that's a really nice time. So I'm thinking that I'm gonna risk it for the biscuit and enter into a deal for a downward trend, the first deal of the year. Euro GBP, 3-minute expiration time for a downward trend according to the according to the levels, you know. I hope the year is gonna start with a really good stream, at least like $300 of profit with the first stream of the year, and that's gonna be amazing. So let's look at the stats of the account in general, analytics. So in general, this is, mind you, this account is simply just for the streams. We had like around 5 or 6 streams in the last year, and for now the profit is $558. Only one day was with the losses, and all the others were kind of good. And the win rate, because of that day, it is 50% because of that one dumb bad day. Oh, what the hell happened on the chart? That's not good. That's really, really not good. And the price is trying to jump out of our corridor. We have 1 minute and 40 seconds left, but it doesn't look good. Do you think that there is going to be a breakout and a breakout of the trend? It kind of looks like that to me. Tell me, guys, what do you think? So it's supposed to drop down, or we're gonna say goodbye to the downtrend and unfortunately lose the money, but for now we are waiting. Anywho, so tell me, how was your week with trading? Today is like what, 4 days of the week when the currency pairs were opened. Tell me, how did it go for you? And let me get back to the chat. If there's anyone new for the stream, again, when I look at the chat, the quotex freezes because I'm opening another tab. And as soon as I get back to it, back to quotex, everything is gonna work again. Relaxing. Hi, sweetheart. How are you? I'm good. How are you doing? I miss your smile. Oh my god, thank you. It's back. It's back for you. But in any case, tell me, how was your trading this year? How did it go? How did it start? Did it go? What was that? In any case, right now we have 20 seconds left and it doesn't really look good for us. Not good. Me no likey. Me no likey. Go down. Go down, honey. Anywho, we have 5 seconds, 4, 3, 2, 1 left, and we lost the money, unfortunately, but it doesn't matter. It's just the first one. And let me analyze a little bit. The quotex is glitching again. Yeah, finally, it's closed at this point. Anywho, what do we see right now? In general, we have the structure. We see that the price broke through that structure. That's like a little retest and the price might go upwards. In general, it is like that, but I think it is too risky for now, and we have a lot of currency pairs for today, so let's move on to something else and see what's going on. You see GPY, we have a really good uptrend. It's moving with an uptrend like a typical one, but if the price drops a little bit, maybe we will go for an uptrend. Euro and dollar. Here, obviously we have a downtrend, and I don't think it's going to be possible for us to catch a moment for a entry point for a downward trend. So let's move on to something else. Euro GPY. GPY. What is going on here? So if the price is going to react, maybe we will enter into an uptrend. We have the support level. Let me give you the visual as always. I hope I'm not gonna miss the moment while I'm doing the little rectangle. So somewhere here from this point, let's make it smaller, was created our support level. Right here, maybe even higher. Yeah, something like that. So if the price is going to grow from this point, maybe most probably we will enter into a deal for an upward trend. And judging, but we have such a weird downtrend. Anywho, let's risk it for the biscuit. Why not? So the next deal with the currency pair, Euro GPY, 3-minute expiration time, using $100 for an upward trend according to the support level. For now, the price jumped upward, but that is not really good, to be honest, because it can go backwards and go down. So again, I'm going to the chat. I do not see what's going on with the chart, and for you it's always stopped. Could it be market manipulation? What are you talking about? Tell me. I don't really understand what you're talking about. Starting is bad. I take a little break because I'm in financial crisis. That's a great idea, relaxing, because if you have some financial problems, you need to stop trading, because trading is the worst decision to try and fix your financial situation. So do what you do. What's up, Alice? Hello. Hello to you too. How you doing? What the hell happened? We have a huge shadow and it looks dangerous. And the price can push down. But for now, we have 1 minute and almost 40 seconds. And for now, I want to remind you that if you are still not a student of our academy just yet, you can easily fix that. You have the link to my Telegram in the description box of this stream and any video of my channel, and text me there that you wanna learn, and I will give you everything absolutely for free. We have a course, we have support from me and the supervisor. I have a lot of perks. So just text me, just get it, just do it. If you don't, what are you doing right now? Start the year the right way. And looking at the chart, we have almost a minute left, and it's not that bad. I wouldn't say it's great, but hopefully the price is not going down. Ow! Speaking of streams, I actually like streaming and connecting with you guys, talking, and just in general, like showing you how I work. But there is the thing that I don't really like is the fact that YouTube doesn't recommend my stream usually to like different people. And for the most part, those who are watching, you are from the academy. I don't know why. I think we need to do something about that. And I think maybe it's because of your activity. So that's why I recommend you to, first of all, see that the deal is going to be closed in black and we're getting the money. And that's why you need to like up the stream that we have right now and spam the hearts in the chat, because I actually, like, jokes aside, I think that's going to be beneficial for YouTube to recommend our streams for more people. So yeah, anywho, with the chart, we actually have a little resistance zone. So I do not think I will stay in this currency pair, and I need to change the amount of money that I use. For those who do not know what I'm doing right now with the money that I use, this is one of the steps of Martingale. What's going on here? We're gonna enter into a deal for a downward trend right now. Give me, I don't like it. Should I risk it? I think I should. I think I should do it now. Let's risk it. We're not gonna wait for the confirmation in a way that the price is gonna drop, because there is a level that's supposed to work. I have a question to you guys. Have you seen the last video? And tell me, what do you think about that? So in the last video on my channel, I talked about all the things that I do during the streams. I mostly talked about the strategy, trending strategy. Jesus Christ, why is everything moving so weirdly? But anyway, so we're working with flat. We have the support and resistance levels, and the price is moving horizontally. In video, we talked more about trending strategy. So tell me, what do you think about that? And talk to me in the chat, which I'm going to the chat right now. So many messages. Happy New Year, Sister Alice. Happy New Year to you too. Have to go on. Be relaxing. I'll see you next time. Love you. Oh, you can't chat on Telegram, Alice, because I don't have Telegram premium account. So, under the last video on my channel, not the stream right now, but in the comment section, on the last video on the channel, leave your handle of Telegram in the comment section. And I will text you, and then we can talk. So, it's going to be fixable. It's easy. Okay. Oh, Maverick, thank you. Thank you, honey. Guys, you just like clicked the likes and the hearts and everything, and we have 40 people already on the stream. So when we have likes and hearts in the chat, we grow the community, and that's amazing. Thank you so, so much. That's just, I don't know. I feel sometimes uncomfortable talking about my feelings because it's like, you know, I'm just like an emotional sack. But I'm really happy that I have you guys and you help me a lot with everything that I do on YouTube. Thank you so much. So with this session right now, with 3 deals, we're going to be around $100 in profit. That's good because this deal looks like it's going to be closed in black. And it's good that we didn't wait for the price confirmation. And again, mind you, tell me your opinion about the last video on the channel if you've seen it. If you have not, what are you doing with your life? Go and watch it. Tell me, do you use the same strategy or maybe you use more like indicators? Because the way I do it, it's mostly price action. Sometimes, of course, I use indicators. And you see that I'm working well because we just closed this deal in black. Oh, shush. I messed up because I thought it's gonna be $100, but at $83. Anywho, let's move on. I'm not great at math. That's what I'm gonna say about me. What's going on here? The situation is weird, so what you do when it's weird, you're just moving on to another currency pair. That's it. That's all you do. If you don't understand, move on. The hell's going on here? GBP CHF. There was an uptrend. We broke the low. And from here we understand that it's supposed to be a downtrend. There was sort of a pullback and the price supposed to go down right now. In general, yeah, and Stochastic also gives us the signal for a downward trend, but I don't see any level from the price reversal point. Do we want to risk it again? I don't think so. Yeah. And the price can, like, you know, be in the support level again and react to it. Moving on. Moving on. We have a downtrend and some sort of uptrend is supposed to be working, but it still haven't broken that level, this level specifically. So we understand that the price is still in a global downtrend until this level is broken through. Huh? Should I enter into a deal for a downward trend? I don't think so, so let's move on. Let's move on to something else. It's a typical downtrend, but the price is too low, and the payout on the other currency payout is low. Let's find something with a good payout. 93% sounds good to me. And we worked with this one at the beginning of the stream, and it broke this level, retested it, then came back with a really deep retest, grew again, and now something weird is going on, so let's move on. We have an uptrend. There was a moment for an entry point. We lost it. We lost the moment. And here we have a downtrend. And right here, there is kind of a double top. That means that I'm going to enter into a deal for a downward trend. So, currency pair Euro US dollar. Globally, we see that there is a downtrend and we see that the price retested the previous level. So this is like sort of pattern that's called double top. And I am hoping that the price is going to go drop and the deal is going to be closed in black. And Stochastic is actually quite close to a good point. But for now, let me get back to the chat. Let me get back to the chat. Alejandro, oh, thank you, sweetheart. Alice, happy, thank you for doing this for us. Oh, thank you too. As I said, I'm really happy to have this communication with you because I'm like talking to you right now. You can ask me questions, I can answer, I can ask you questions. It's amazing. Thank you guys for everything. You're teaching. Thank you. Oh, thank you. Thank you. I hope it's actually helpful in your life. Next, Ashley. Yeah. Parabolic actually shows you like pullbacks and helps you with that if you use pullback trading. Amazing tool. My mentor, my teacher. Oh my God, guys, thank you. Oh, shit. I was happy for a second, but now I look at the chart. Shit. So the price is actually back to the retest level. Something is happening on that one, and it's supposed to go down still, but I hope it's not gonna get like frozen in that level and it will go down. We have still a minute and a little more left, so enough time to change everything. But as I said, guys, thank you so much. As much as I love filming videos, I also love streaming and communicating with you. And looking at the chart, I'm thinking that I could have actually opened the second deal right now, but I, as you already know, and if you don't know, now you will know, that I do not like opening two deals in a row, not even in a row, but when one deal is still open, I do not like opening other deals because you never know how it's going to end up. But now we can definitely tell that the price is actually going down and we're getting the money. It is because someone liked the stream and spammed the hearts in the chat, and 100% sure that that's you guys. That's you guys. You control the market with your likes and hearts. That's for sure. Okay, so this deal is closed in blank, and Quotex doesn't show me anything. Thank you, Quotex. It's glitching as always. But that's amazing. $129 of profit for today's stream. But it's not enough. Not enough. Because this is the first stream of the year. So I want to make more. I need more. So looking at this chart, I still want to work with it. I don't know, because the payout is 93%. That's amazing. It's a weird situation. We have this level working, but the price is reacting to this corridor really weirdly. It's really nice to have 93% payout, but I do not see a good entry point. But with this trend line, maybe we will be actually able to work here. No, I think here. Should I do it? Yeah, so let's risk it for the biscuit. It's a bit too early. I think that the price might drop even lower, but globally I understand that it will grow. It is a simple trend line, as we already talked about this currency pair. Let me give you the visual for the trend line. Come here. It started somewhere here, and right now stably it moves upwards. So the first, come here, what are you doing? Something like this. Something like this. But in general, we see that it is a simple trend line. The currency pair is USD GPY, 3-minute expiration time, using $50 for my account. And I don't even think that the price is going to go down. So opening a deal for an upward trend, that's good. It can retest like it did previously. And yeah, so that's great. And I actually talked about it in the video. We are looking at Stochastic and we see the signal that the price is going to go down, even though we still have an uptrend. So it's going to be giving us signals to sell, and every single in an upward trend to sell, meaning to work with a downward trend, would lose us money. But of course, when you are working with trend reversals, you should look at Stochastic, but this is a typical upward trend, and it is easy as hell to find entry points there. So let's get back to the chat. Chat. Maverick. That one like is me, come on guys. 53 watching, just one like. Maverick. It's not actually just one like because when I'm streaming, it's glitching for some reason. The countdown, or not the countdown, the count of likes are not shown. If you update the page, maybe it will change. I don't know. How many days a week do you stream? Alejandro, so ideally I want to stream like 5 days a week, but of course we understand that some days the market is not good. I'm busy with some days, but I will try to stream 5 days a week. I had a little vacation, New Year vacation, holidays and shit like that. We didn't have any streams, but starting now, I'm working 5 days a week. I do not work on the weekends because I never freaking work with OTC pairs. If you don't know why, look at videos on my channel. Easy as hell. Explanation is there for you. But on working days, I try to stream all the time around like this time that we streaming and starting right now. Tomorrow it's going to be a bit early, like a couple of hours earlier than today, but typically same time. So let's look at our deals. We have 4 deals in a row closed in black, and this is amazing, and our profit is $174. And you can see that the payout is dropping because we started a bit late. 70%, just, yeah, no, we have not a lot of currency pairs that we can actually work with today. See, that's the problem. We will probably try to stream earlier because at this point the market is closing and the payouts are dropping. And only GPYs are going to be a-okay. Let's look at Euro GPY because AUD GPY actually is shit already. I worked with this chart and it was closed in black. And the price actually reacted to the level amazingly. It jumped upwards. I think it's going to go down, but it's risky. Risky. What should I do? We have such low payout. I will probably try to find entry points with lower payout. For those who don't know, I usually do not work with low payouts. It's supposed to be 80 and higher. But in this situation, not good. And right now, this currency pair is not working. What about Euro GBP? So this level is working. What are you doing? This is the 93% payout currency pair. It looks like the level is working. It's reacting, the price is reacting. Objectively, we have 5 times price dropping from this level. Should I catch the moment for a price to go downwards? It's probably possible. Really probable, I would say, maybe even from this point. The price is dancing around, but let's risk it because we have quite a good profit. I did not get all the confirmation, but I like this level because the price actually is dropping from this level really good. But of course, we have no confirmation right now that the price is not going to go even higher, so it's risky. Risky. So, Euro GBP 3-minute expiration time using $50 for the price to go down, for the downward trend. So, let's wait for 3 minutes and let's go to the chat. And tell me, how's it for you? How is the stream going for you? Is it lagging? Is the sound good? Everything, tell me everything. Chat. Can we trade with pocket option? It doesn't matter what platform you're using because it is all the same. What's the lowest percentage we should trade with? I'd say if the payout is lower than 70%, this is just pointless. I work with 80 and higher usually, but 70, this is the lowest. Hey, Snow Bunny. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Anywho, let's look at the chart and it doesn't look that great, but we still are in the zone of that level. Because see, again, as I said, I didn't wait for the confirmation. I risked it because we had a good profit, and I'm afraid that the market is gonna punish me. But who knows? Maybe the price is gonna drastically drop. Unbelievably, drastically drop. We were waiting and waiting for entry point for a downward trend. Like each of those peaks, we looked at them and I said that we can enter here, we can enter here. Oh, but it's risky, it's risky. We found the entry point, and of course, this is the moment when the price decided not to drop or go down. Go down, honey. Should I start doing again the strict but loving mother, or maybe you should try to like the stream, like up the stream, press the heart on the chat, and judging by what I see right now, you're not doing it. You should do that. But I'm still gonna be strict mom. I need you to go down, honey. You need to go down, honey. You have 8 seconds, 7. You need to go down. Well, fuck. It didn't work. See, the new year, new me. I shouldn't be the mother. Look at this bitch. Look at this bitch. Should I enter into another deal for a downward trend here, or it's not worth it? I think it's risky at this point. I don't know. Yeah, let's look at another currency pair. I just like the payout here. It's 90%. Oh, gee. Jesus. Maybe if the price grows a little more, then I will go down. I'm not pressing the button just yet. I'm just looking. In general, from this point, the price actually dropped before, so I'm gonna risk it right now. It is freaking dangerous. Same currency pair, Euro, GBP, 3-minute expiration time, and $100 used now. But I hope that at least this last drop of the price before it breaks and goes upwards, I'll get the money. I agree it's not the best entry point. We have only 2 currency pairs with a good payout, so risk it for the biscuit. I don't know. But for now, let's go back to the chat. Let's go back to the chat. I'm trading with pocket all wins. Good job! If you're working, by the way, guys, if you're working with me at the same time, leave a comment in a chat and tell me how's it going. Odie, how are you? I'm great, thank you. Julie, everything looks great. Amazing, thank you. Yeah. So you have a lag of 9 seconds. It depends on the country and the speed of your internet connection. It can be different for everyone. And be careful with that, because for you it might be like 9 seconds, for someone it's going to be 13 seconds, for someone it's not going to be anything like 1 second or 2 seconds. So look at the chart. You can see the time on the chart, and you can, look at that to know what kind of lag you have. Excellent results. Thank you. And the last one, sometimes with the last comment, the pocket option has better payouts sometimes, but not always. So don't see the problem of working with Forex. I like it more. Said that 1,000,000 times, and I will say it again. It's better. I like it better. But looking at the chart, the price is not gonna go up. Please don't. Please. Stop it. You need to go down. Guys, we need to be mentally pushing the price down. Pushing the price down. We have 30 seconds left. The price needs to go down. You guys need to like up the stream to help me with that. Spam the hearts in the chat. Please go down. We have 20 seconds left. Please go down, sweetheart. Why are you frozen? 10 seconds left. Please go down. Thank you. Go even lower. Why are you doing this to me at the end of the day? We have 1 second left and it's closed in black. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Sometimes risking is good. But this is not all. We are looking at USD GP. Oh, wow. And if we don't have an entry point, then we will finish. But I kind of want to say that we do, but I'm not sure. What do you guys think? It feels like we have the ability to enter into a deal for an upward trend, but the price is actually moving around in a weird way, and I'm not sure if we should do that. Because of course I understand it's supposed to be like the last deal probably. This is the 2 last currency pairs with 90% payout. What do I not like? The fact that if I close this one in red, losing money, we won't be able to cover up the losses. Let's risk it. But if this is going to be closed in red, we are not going to use Martingale, and this is going to be the last deal for today. Not a bad place, not a bad place, but this is the same trend line, and we actually worked with it before in this point. I think we opened like one deal on this currency pair. At some point we worked with it. Yeah. And we got the money, but the price actually behaving in a weird way. Hopefully we will get the money. So we have a couple of minutes left. Let's look at the chat and talk to you. My trades always do that to me too and hurt. Yeah, I know. When the price does the reversal or freezes at the last moment, that's a pain. Pain in the ass. Down, down, down. Thank you. Thank you so much. Sunil, yeah. That's the deal that we are using right now. It's not the bad one. It's not a bad situation, but if we close it in black, that's gonna, well, in red, not in black. We're not going to be able to cover the losses, unfortunately. Pocket option pays out sucks. It's 49 for USD GPY. Yeah, that sucks. Don't do that. So pocket option has worse payout. I wouldn't say that it's bad. Usually people say Quotex has bad payout. They have different payouts. What are you doing? What the fuck are you doing? This is the end of the day. This is the last deal for today. Stop that. Anywho, so payouts are variable. You cannot say that they are always bad in Quotex, always bad in pocket option. It's different all the time. Maybe today Quotex is better. Maybe, I don't know, but usually people say that pocket option is better, like 1-2% higher. For those people who say that payout 50% right now, don't work with that. Don't work with that. Don't risk $50 to get $25. That's just stupid. That's a bad risk management. I'm working with $50 to get much more than 25. That's bad risk management. Is bad in any situation. Even with the positive win rate, it's going to be problematic to be in constant profit all the time. So never work with 50% payout, 70 and higher. Anywho, so looking at the chart, we have 5 seconds left. What the fuck are you doing? Go away, go higher. 1 second left. Thank you, thank fucking God, we did it. Oh my God. Anywho, the deal is closed in black. We have $259.50. This is the profit for today's session. This is a great beginning for the year. We wanted 300, but we got 200 and almost 60, which is good. We could work a little more, but the payouts are not great. Let me look at Euro GPY. What the hell happened? Euro GPY, if the price would be at that level, maybe I would work with it. But right now, this is going to be it. This is going to be the end for our stream for today. Let's look at the chat for one last time. Don't forget to like up the stream and send little hearts in the chat. That would be amazing. What's your stochastic settings? So my stochastic settings, I'm working with 1 minute time frame, so I use default settings. Good profit, congrats. Thank you, Maverick. I also think so. We had a good session today. Thank you so much, everybody. It was so nice to see you. It was a great session. First one in this year, and I will see you tomorrow on the next stream.